Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to equip layered armor in Monster Hunter World. Layered armor lets you change your appearance without affecting stats, which is perfect for fashion sets. First, either progress far enough in the game to unlock layered armor, acquire layered armors by completing event quests, or buying deluxe editions of the game. Next, head to your item box. Select layered armor settings. Choose the layered armor pieces you want for each slot and confirm. Your character's look will update instantly while keeping your original armor stats. And that's how to equip layered armor in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.